Picture yourself on a dream vacation in the picturesque country of Spain. You're exploring the beautiful streets, sinking your toes in its golden yellow sand, and trying delicious cultural dishes. And despite not speaking Spanish, you have no trouble figuring your way out thanks to Google's translation tool. Ever wondered how Google can capture and translate a picture into English in real time? The answer lies in the fascinating capabilities of machine learning and neural networks. It's not immediately apparent, but machine learning is all around us, shaping our lives in ways we might not even realize. From AI generative chatbots like ChatGPT and Claude to popular mobile applications like Spotify and Instagram, we all interact with machine learning in our everyday lives. So, in this video, we'll delve into the world of machine and deep learning using relatable analogies. We'll demystify common machine learning terms, making them as easy to understand as your favorite homemade recipes. Join us as we delve into 10 concepts related to machine learning using fun and simple analogies. Stick around till the end to discover just how easy and exciting it is to explore the world of machine learning. Let's jump in at number 10. Machine learning, teaching children how to recognize animals. Think of machine learning as teaching a child to recognize different animals. You show them pictures of cats and dogs, explaining their features. Over time, the child can identify these animals independently. Similarly, in machine learning, we feed a computer large amounts of labeled data, and it learns to recognize patterns and make predictions. This is how applications like email spam filters and social media image recognition work. 9. Algorithms, your favorite homemade recipes. Algorithms in machine learning are like recipes. Just as a recipe guides a chef to create a dish, an algorithm provides a computer with instructions to solve a problem. Different tasks require different algorithms, much like different dishes require different recipes. Data scientists, like chefs, tweak algorithms to enhance the performance of products and services. 8. Data, the high-quality ingredients. Just as a baker needs fresh ingredients to make a delicious cake, data scientists need clean, relevant data to train a machine learning model. If you're building a model to recommend movies, your data should include accurate information about viewing habits and ratings. High-quality data is the foundation of successful machine learning models. 7. Training a model, practicing a new sport. Training a machine learning model is like practicing a sport. Just as athletes improve with practice, a machine learning model improves its accuracy by iterating over data multiple times. Feedback helps refine its performance, much like how a soccer player adjusts their technique to score more goals. 6. Overfitting, memorizing without understanding. Overfitting in machine learning is like memorizing answers for an exam without truly understanding the material. The model performs well on the training data, but poorly on new data because it has learned too many specifics and not the general patterns. This leads to inaccurate predictions in real-world applications. 5. Generalization, applying new knowledge. Generalization in machine learning is when a model applies what it learned from training data to new situations. Just like a child who can recognize a cat on the street after seeing pictures of cats in books, a well-generalized model can make accurate predictions on new, unseen data. 4. Hyperparameters, setting the perfect cooking parameters. Adjusting hyperparameters in machine learning is like setting the right temperature and cooking time for a recipe. If the settings are off, the dish might burn or be undercooked. Similarly, hyperparameters control the training process, ensuring the model is optimized for accurate predictions. 3. Validation set. Dress rehearsals before curtain time. Validation set in machine learning is like a dress rehearsal. Just as performers use rehearsals to spot and fix issues before the main performance, a validation set allows data scientists to fine-tune the model's parameters before testing it on new data, ensuring it performs well. 2. Ensemble methods. Expert crowdsourcing opinions. Ensemble methods in machine learning are like crowdsourcing opinions from a group of friends to decide on a movie. By combining the predictions of multiple models, ensemble methods increase accuracy and reduce the likelihood of errors, much like how gathering multiple opinions helps you make a better choice. 1. Neural networks, our brain's neurons. Neural networks in machine learning mimic the human brain's neurons. Each artificial neuron processes data and passes it on, forming a network that enables the model to perform complex tasks, such as language translation or image recognition, much like our brain processes thoughts and perceptions. We've explored machine learning through simple analogies, making complex concepts easier to understand. As AI continues to evolve, understanding the basics of machine learning will become increasingly important. So keep these analogies in mind as you dive deeper into the world of AI and machine learning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.